How to cancel order on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can cancel orders on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the process to cancel orders on the Shein app really depends upon which stage the order is in. If the order is just only seen by the seller, has not been packaged, then the order is still cancelable. But if the order has already been packaged and has shipped to the Shein warehouse, then in that case the process of cancellation is a bit much more complicated, and for that you have to just contact the customer care. But if you're eligible and then you want to cancel the order that you've just made on the Shein app, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go in, first of all, make sure to just go ahead and then basically launch the Shein application that you can find over here. Once you launch the Shein app, you want to simply make sure to sign into the account, and then what you want to do is just tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the me option from the bottom right over here, you'll find my orders. If you go to view all option, you'll be able to find all the orders that you've made. Just select the specific order that you would like to cancel. If it is cancelable, you can go ahead and then proceed with the cancellation process. Otherwise, the only thing I can recommend you is to tap this little help icon from the top right to simply talk to a customer support representative, and then they should be able to help you with whatever issues you might have. This way you can cancel your order on the Shein app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.